We got here super early. We just checked out the other place and got here pretty much immediately. In Brian and Natalie fashion. And, yep. They probably just give us the best room they have that's available. This looks like an older hotel. So we got an upgrade because Brian is a Platinum Elite member and they offered us a welcome drink or extra points, and it was a tough call and we picked
Natalie picked points. So.
Well, I mean, hopefully we'll get to use it.
But
I know. We could have picked a drink. But,
yeah.
I mean,
You
I don't know. It's not like
really
we're
need a
gonna
beer or
drink.
wine.
Yeah. We drink water most of the time. I mean, sometimes it's nice to have an alcoholic beverage. But
Room tour.
Oh.
We're not here to talk about the drinks that we can get.
Okay, cool. Anyway, we have robes, we have an ironing board, a safe, a hairdryer, an iron, and slippers, a flashlight, and a laundry information sheet. And that's working now. And over here we have a Nespresso coffee machine. And we have a bar fridge. And over here we have a couple glass mugs and a bunch of Dilma teas and coffee things for the coffee pot. Right here we have a couple glasses and a tea kettle. In the bathroom, we have a tissue, we have soap, we have some toiletries, cotton pads, and we have a scale, and some fresh towels, hand towels, a shower over the bath, and we have our luggage here. These are just empty little drawers, the bed, the side table, the TV, and the balcony.
I got a good spot. Okay. So I just have to make a silly point about this company here. This company also produces hearing aids, which aren't that good, but that's audiology fact of the day. Oh.
Heat's on.
Heat's on.
Okay.
Hopefully it works.